Hi, today I want to show you how to build a magic trick with ComfyUI using Ideogram 4. Before I show you the magic effect, I want to give you an introduction and so you can easily follow the video because you won't be able to see the details. I start the trick with 4 sheets of paper. They are marked with colors. Then I ask 4 spectators to choose the list, and there are 10 items in the list. Then each one can pick a number from 1 to 10. If the red one have chosen a number, let's say 3, and then I enter it for here. If it's 10, I have to enter the 0, and so on. The trick will continue like this. And I will let you watch the performance, but I was too nervous and sorry about my shaky performance. I hope you still enjoy it. This is a paper with different list of different objects and different things. I think I haven't met you before. Anthony. Yes. So which color you want? Choose one.
Red, please.
Red. Hold this. Don't open it for the
Sure.
And maybe I haven't seen you for a long time. Which color you want?
I'd like the blue one.
Blue one. Take the blue one.
Thank you.
And anyone want one? You want which one?
Green.
Green.
I'll take.
Oh, take the black.
I'm not sure.
Don't open it yet. Now I want to get this to write a note. Don't shake, don't shake. Okay. So now I got the red here. So who's red? Red. Pick a number between 1 and 10. No, not between, from 1 to 10.
I tell you?
Yeah.
9.
9. 9. Okay, 9. I enter it. Okay, 9. So the green one. Green, who's the green? Oh, pick a number. 4. Don't shake. Keep on shaking. 4. Okay. Now blue.
1 to 10?
10.
7.
7. Okay, now just leave it here. Easy. 7. So 9, 4, 7, the black one.
Black one is number 6.
6. Okay, 6. Okay, now here 9, 4, 7. 9, 4, 7, 6. Now the red one, I get the red one here, and now you pick the 9.
Yep.
And you can open the list and see what number 9 is. Sydney. Okay, there's a list of city I can show everyone. So it's a list of city, and there's Athens and Beijing, and so number 9 is Sydney. Okay, and green one, green. Number 4. Open it and have a look. Number 4. Rihanna is a person. So there's all different person. We have Ariana Grande and all the person, Elvis Presley, and you could pick anything, right? So number 4. Blue one.
Yep.
Oh. Number 7. Orange. Now we got Sydney, Rihanna, orange, the color. And the last one?
It's papaya.
Papaya. It's a fruit.
Papaya.
So you could choose apple, banana, whatever. Now we need to imagine in Sydney, Rihanna, Orange is the color. She's wearing an orange jacket. And papaya, I don't think she likes papaya. I've been using the laptop and I've got a wallpaper on my laptop. And if I can get the picture, I think I've got Rihanna and something with the papaya. That's all we have. Okay, now let me show you how I did that, and then you can build your own application as well. At the very beginning, I asked for spectator to choose the list. I got 4 lists. One is city and person, 10 items in each list. The third one is the color, and then the fruit. They are marked with red, green, blue color. Then everyone can choose a color, and so I pass the list to them. After that, they choose the number. Then we generate the image. So how does that work technically? What I have done is I run ComfyUI on my laptop and run a hotspot so my phone can connect to the laptop without any network. And then I run a web server and proxy server here. The desktop wallpaper was just a website running an image fetching from the ComfyUI output. And this one is also a website from the web server on the laptop. This is communicating with the proxy server, and the proxy server will tell ComfyUI what to do. Now let me show you how to prepare the effect. Just start the ComfyUI as normal. While ComfyUI is starting up, I can show you what's happening here. I'm not connecting to any network at the moment. My Wi-Fi adapter is on. So if I go to here is the hotspot, but I just can't activate the hotspot. For some reason, Windows doesn't allow me to activate hotspot if there's no network connected. That's the reason I need a script to start the hotspot. And you have to run it as administrator. Okay, it's done. We can close the window here and go back to here. You can see the hotspot is on at the moment. Now, the next thing is we need to start the proxy and the web server. This is using a PowerShell script. This one is using the Python. I am using Miniconda. I have to activate Miniconda to start the proxy, and I change to the directory where my current scripts are. I'm going to share the script, so if you put this anywhere else, you have to update this accordingly. Or maybe you are not using Miniconda, then you have to change the script accordingly. This is basically running the proxy server and the web server here. Let's look at the diagram. We have started ComfyUI and run the hotspot as administrator. Now we need to run this batch file, which is launching the PowerShell script I just showed you. So let's run this just normal, and you will see 2 terminals will pop up. This is the proxy server. This is the web server. Now we got everything up. I just want to show you my workflow on ComfyUI. Okay, this is my Ideogram 4 workflow. I've already done a tutorial for that. I'm not going through how to use this, but I just want to point out something here. As you can see here, the desktop application icons, and here there's a landmark. I use this as a placeholder. Also here you can see put the text here. Fruit is a placeholder, and also the person is a placeholder here. I'm not using this in when I run it, this was just used for generating the file. I asked AI to generate the HTML file with all the ComfyUI information, including my workflow with the placeholder. And then after that, the placeholder will be replaced by the 10 items from the list. Let's try out first. Okay, now let's look at the diagram here. We need to launch the wallpaper HTML on the browser. I'm using Chrome here, and I've got the bookmark here. Then, so you can see it looks like a desktop. It's just an image on a HTML page. If I press F11, it will be full screen. It looks like the desktop. And I also I can make it blank. If I press B, then it's blank. Press B again, it comes back. This image is the latest one I have generated. Basically, this website will grab the latest image in my ComfyUI output, but it doesn't base on the timestamp. It's based on the alphabetical order. And one more thing I want to point out is you need to make a symbolic link to point to the ComfyUI output directory, because my web server is running here, my index.html is here, and the wallpaper is here. So this is the wallpaper. The web server need to access the ComfyUI output directory, so you need to put something under the web server root directory. So this is a symbolic link. This is not a Windows shortcut. If you want to know how to do that, just ask AI to help you with make link on Windows. If I click on it, you can see I am on ComfyUI output directory. Now let me show you my phone. I'm using a USB connection to mirror the image for the screencast. And you can see here, this is my hotspot. I can show you here. So it's the same network here. Okay, now this is this index page. It's basically showing 4 squares. I'm using Opera browser. I think this is the best one. It can make the full screen here. Okay, now let me do the demonstration. For the performance, I will make it full screen and make it blank. So let me switch it to my phone here, and let's say I enter a number here, 6, 1 for the green one, and the blue one, let's say 9 and 7. I've got a hidden button here. You won't be able to see it. I don't want anyone knowing that I'm submitting something. So this is 6197. I'm going to submit the number to the proxy. Okay, you can see it was flashing. Now let me show you on the other window. This is a proxy window. You can see I've got a 6 here and 1 here, Moscow, Ariana Grande, white, number 9, and 7 fruit is the peach here. This is the ComfyUI window. You can see I am using 10 steps here, and it looks like it's already done. Okay, you can see it pop up here on my Chrome browser, Moscow, wearing white jacket, Ariana Grande holding a signed peach. And we can check out the ComfyUI. How long did it take? It's about 60 seconds. At the moment, I'm connected to the power adapter. When I am running on battery, it's a little bit slower. Now let me show you how to change everything for your own purpose. Everything is hard-coded in the index script here. And first thing, if you want to change the steps, if you have enough time, you want to use more steps to get better quality, you can search for num steps But there are many of them. You have to make sure you get the right one. Not this one. Currently there are 10 steps, so it must be this one. So you can change the steps here. The next thing you may want to change is the list of items. You just search for items and you will find the list all start here, like landmarks here. And you can see the persons, colors, and you can change all this here. If you want to change the layout, you have to change it in the workflow, but it's a little bit difficult. You change it here, then you have to save it as API JSON, export here, and ask AI to help you to generate the HTML file. Sometimes the application icon are behind the person, which doesn't make sense, but this is just a quick magic trick. No one really check all these small things. I think it's fun. I hope you can make use of this video. I also want to see what idea you come up with. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye.
There are more videos to watch, or you can subscribe and we'll never miss a future video.